Okay, now let's continue working with the shooting, and in this video I will teach you how to make a little bit better shooting, because for now if we hit play, we can basically spam shoot as many bullets as we want, and that's not the best idea. Of course you can leave it like this, but what I will do, I will have some kind of time between shots, so I will have a little bit of time not to be able to spam shoot so much bullets. So to do that, well, let's open our player controller script and let's create few variables here. First of all, we need to have some kind of time between shots, as I said. So we will say public float time between shots, and we will assign some value in the Unity editor. Also, I will create private float, and let's call this one shoot counter. Basically, the shoot counter will calculate time, and for example, if we will have time between shots to be 3 seconds, of course I'm not gonna do 3 seconds, but let's imagine that we can shoot every bullet every 3 seconds. This when we shoot, after we shoot, this shoot counter will start calculating from 3 to 1 0, and after the 0 we will be able to shoot again. Now to do that, well, let's scroll down, and after our flip, before we do this get mouse button, we will create few more logic. So we will say if our shoot counter is greater than 0, well, it means that we already shoot our bullet. So it also means that our shoot counter should start calculating time. And we can do it by saying shoot counter minus equals to time dot delta time. So we are just decreasing our shoot counter by time. And well, as I said, it will start calculating our time from time between shots to 0. After that, well, actually, we will just add one condition here. If we are touching our left mouse end, so let's add end sign, and our shoot counter is less or equal 0, and let's open and close bracket. Well, actually, we don't need to do that. We already have brackets. So only then we should be able to shoot, so it's fine. And well, after we shoot, as I said, we should reset our shoot counter, and we can do it by saying shoot counter equals to our time between shots. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple way how you can add some kind of time between shots. So we can save the script and we can go back and let's test how everything looks. And also we should assign some number to time between shots. So by default, our shoot counter, time between shots is 0. And let's make it 0.5. Let's hit play. And now doesn't matter how much I spam my shoots, we will be able to only shoot every half of the seconds. And I think 0.5 will work fine. You can obviously make this number smaller if you want more faster shooting, faster instantiating bullets, or you can increase this time if you want slower shooting. But I think 0.5 or maybe 0.4. Let's see. Yeah, I think 0.4 or 5 will work fine. So we can save this scene.